Are you hungry for knowledge, or maybe you have some new agents that have joined your team looking to add knowledge to their tool belt? Well, we've got you covered. The knowledge needed to sell real estate is the first in an agent's repertoire. But what does that come with? If you were to brainstorm a list of all the things a good agent should know to effectively work as a top-notch realtor, what does that look like? It's not just the contract pieces, knowing about inspections and how to read them, or being able to share strategies on effective ways to secure an offer, but also knowing how to navigate a good handoff to a preferred lender that you know will be a good extension of you. And with that, knowing that when you do, they will take the best care of your clients. Having even just a little knowledge of the mortgage industry is important too. It helps when you have listings and offers come in where you need to vet those offers financing so that your sellers know that they have a solid deal, but also with your buyers too. Having knowledge of how they were pre-approved and how best to structure their offer financing wise gives you and them a big leg up in securing your offer. See, we teach all the things under the sun. We provide tips and tricks around how to navigate ensuring a client has the best credit score. We teach them about new products, down payments, gift funds, creative financing, like financing someone who maybe doesn't have a traditional job, is self-employed, or maybe an investor that's looking to buy properties without having a job under what's called a DSCR loan or a non-QM loan. With that, there are so many things to understand and know in this industry, and knowing how to finesse that is important. So our objective is just to teach you a little bit so that when buyers or sellers are with you, that you can navigate some of those tougher lending questions before the handoff. In our Lunch and Learns, we will provide these valuable insights, making it an informative and tasty event. Sign up today by completing our marketing form request below.